There was once a young woman named Sarah who loved to collect beautiful vases. Each vase had its unique design, and Sarah treasured them as reminders of beauty and artistry. But one day, while cleaning her shelves, she accidentally knocked over her favorite vase. It shattered into countless pieces and Sarah was devastated. She tried to gather the broken shards, hoping she could somehow fix it, but no matter how carefully she arranged the pieces, they wouldn't fit perfectly anymore. Feeling defeated, she thought about throwing the pieces away. "Sarah, it's ruined." Later that evening, Sarah's grandmother came to visit. Seeing the broken vase, her grandmother smiled gently and said, "Grandmother, don't throw it away just yet, let me show you something." Her grandmother began picking up the pieces of the shattered vase. She then mixed gold powder with glue and slowly started mending the vase. Sarah watched in awe as the broken pieces were carefully put back together, not in the same way they were before, but in a way that made the cracks shimmer with gold. The vase, once broken and discarded, became a new masterpiece, more beautiful than it had ever been. Grandmother. In Japan, there's a tradition called Kintsugi, where broken pottery is repaired with gold. The cracks aren't hidden, they're highlighted. It's believed that the brokenness makes the piece even more precious, telling its unique story.